Welcome to another Kevin's English School's English Learning video. Today, let's learn what the difference is between what do you do and what are you doing. Understanding these can really polish your conversational skills, so let's get started. First up, what do you do? This question is all about asking someone about their job or main occupation. It's a general inquiry into a person's profession or a habitual action. Example 1. What do you do? I'm a teacher. I teach high school students. Example 2. What do you do? I write software for mobile apps. Example 3. What do you do? I run a bakery. We make the best donuts in town. Example 4. What do you do? I'm studying to be a lawyer at Harvard. Example 5. What do you do? I work as a freelance graphic designer. Now let's switch to what are you doing? This question is used to find out what someone is currently doing at this moment. It's more about the immediate action rather than a profession. Example 1. What are you doing? I'm reading a book about the history of Europe. Example 2. What are you doing? I'm cooking dinner for the family. Tonight's menu is spaghetti. Example 3. What are you doing? I'm just working out at the gym. Example 4. What are you doing? I'm writing an email to a client. Example 5. What are you doing? I'm painting a landscape on this beautiful sunny day. So there you have it. The key difference lies in the time frame of the action. What do you do? Focuses on general, often long-term activities, primarily associated with one's occupation. On the other hand, what are you doing is about the present moment, asking about current activities. Understanding these nuances can really boost your confidence in daily English conversations. Keep practicing these phrases and you'll master the art of asking questions in English in no time. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, or I will tell you my life story in the next video.